Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Hey Dude shoes for kids. The Hey Dude Boys Wally Stretch Socks Loafer. If you're on the hunt for lightweight, comfortable, and stylish footwear for your little adventurer, this shoe could be exactly what you need. From the moment you hold these shoes, you'll notice how incredibly light they are. Designed with active kids in mind, the Wally Stretch Socks Loafers feel like they're barely there, making them perfect for all-day wear. The shoe features a flexible canvas upper that gently hugs the foot, combined with elasticized laces that provide a snug yet comfortable fit without the hassle of tying shoes. This pull-on design means kids can slip them on and off with ease, promoting independence and saving parents time. Inside, you'll find a soft cotton lining that adds to the overall comfort, ensuring feet stay cozy throughout the day. The removable memory foam cushioned insole offers excellent support and helps keep little feet fresh and comfortable, even during long hours of play. This insole also adds a layer of cushioning that absorbs impact, which is essential for growing feet that are constantly on the move. One of the standout features of these Hey Dude shoes is the flex and fold technology. This innovation allows the shoe to move naturally with the foot, giving kids the freedom to run, jump, and explore without restriction. The low-top construction and rounded toe design provide plenty of room for natural toe movement, which is important for healthy foot development. Durability hasn't been compromised either. The lightweight, flexible rubber outsole is designed to withstand the daily adventures of kids, providing good grip and traction on various surfaces. Whether your child is at school, playing outside, or just running errands with you, these shoes are built to handle it all. Hey Dude has clearly put a lot of thought into combining comfort, style, and functionality in this design. The branding on the tongue and heel tab adds a nice touch of flair without being overwhelming, making these shoes suitable for both casual and more trendy outfits. The range of available colors and sizes means you're likely to find the perfect pair that matches your child's personality and needs. In terms of sizing, these shoes generally fit true to size and accommodate the typical foot shapes of little kids, toddlers, and even big kids. The pull-on style and stretchable fabric make them especially easy to wear for children who are still mastering putting on their own shoes. To sum it up, the Hey Dude Boys Wally Stretch Socks Loafer is a fantastic option if you want a shoe that's comfortable, lightweight, flexible, and easy for kids to wear. The combination of a breathable canvas upper, cushioned memory foam insole, and durable rubber sole creates a shoe that supports growing feet without weighing them down. Whether it's for school days, playtime, or casual outings, these shoes cover all bases. If you're looking for the best Hey Dude shoes for kids, this model definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.